Namaste children. In my previous class, I had explained to you exercise part of the first lesson. Today I would like to explain you the questions and answers of the first lesson. Please look at your screen, all of you. I would like to share those question answers on your screen. Yes, look at it. Main D. A, B, C are already over and E also it is over. Now it is D main. Answer these questions. First question, look at it. What is the shape of the earth? It is the first question. What is the shape of the earth? I gave this point in your classwork. Please remember and answer for it. The answer is the shape of the earth is round. R-O-U-N-D, round. Okay. Then go for the second question. What do living beings need to live on the earth? What are all the things? We are all living beings, human beings, animals, birds, we are all living things. What we need to live on this earth? What are all the things we need to live on this earth? So, I mentioned here, answer you can guess. You know that answer already, I think. So, food, water, air, shelter and cloth. It means living beings need air. Very important thing for all the living things is air. Air, then second water, next food, after that shelter and cloth. So these are all the things we need to live on this earth. So living beings need air, water, food, shelter and cloth to live on this earth. These are all very important for our life to survive. So we need to mention these all the things in our answer. Clear? Next, third one. Go to the third question. What is atmosphere? What is atmosphere? Atmosphere means what? The definition I explained to you while explaining the lesson. So there, the layer of the air which is surrounded our earth is called atmosphere. What is there around our earth? What we feel? Yes, air. Air is there around our earth. That air layer is called as atmosphere, or the layer of the air which is surrounded our earth is called atmosphere. Atmosphere, what we call it? So I gave you already in the CW also once. So check it out and write this answer. Then next, fourth one. What is horizon? Horizon means what? Can you guess? Just think. I explained to you when I was explaining that lesson. I explained to you about the definition of horizon. Okay, just you think it off and get the answer. Okay, I will tell that answer. The point where the earth and the sky appear to meet is called horizon. I will repeat it. The point where the earth and the sky appear to meet is called horizon. With an image, I explained to you this. What is horizon? If you stood outside, so just look at the look forward. So somewhere you will see that sky and earth they seem to meet. That point is called as horizon. Okay. Then last question. You can go for it. Yeah, here it is. Fifth question. Sorry, six are there. Fifth question it is. What is the difference between rotation and revolution? Rotation means what? Revolution means what? So answer you need to write like this only. The difference between the rotation and the revolution is, I divided two. First one is rotation. Rotation means what I mentioned here. The earth moves around its own axis is called rotation. I repeat it. The earth moves or spins. Spins also you can use it. The earth spins around its own axis is called rotation. And revolution is nothing but the earth moves round the sun. in its own orbit, in its orbit or in its own orbit is called revolution. Okay, Earth is rotating on its own axis is rotation. Revolution means our Earth is revoluting around the sun or moving around the sun. It is called revolution. One more difference also we can write it. Rotation takes 24 hours. Our Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. And revolution, our Earth takes 365 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. Okay, one revolution to complete one revolution, our Earth takes 1 year. For the rotation, it will take only 1 day. It means 24 hours. Next, last question. Write 4 lines on our beautiful Earth. About our Earth, you need to write any 4 sentences. Okay, they give one. So you can write your own sentences also for this question. What I written here, I will explain to you. Our Earth is the only planet in our solar system which has living things on it, and also it has life supporting things like air, water, and food on it. It has attractive nature, and also 3/4 of its surface is covered by water. Once again, I will repeat it. Last answer. Our Earth is the only planet in our solar system which has living things on it, and also it has life supporting things like air, water, and food on it. It has attractive nature, and also 3/4 of its surface is covered by water. These are all the questions and answers of this first lesson. So now, after this video, sending the video link, I will share these images to your WhatsApp group. Questions and answers of the first lesson I will share to your WhatsApp group. Please see those and write in your social studies CW. Okay, write in your social studies CW and send it to me. After completion of your writing, please take a photo of your CW and send it to me. Okay, I hope I am clear. If you have any doubts regarding these questions and answers, you can phone call and ask. Okay, have a nice day. Take care, all of you.